Welcome, Club Secretary. The purpose of this video is to help you learn to format tables in the template to make them look good. Here we see we're inside of our template for our regular meeting, and we have a live linked table, and we want to change the look of this table. So the trick to it is to grab the first cell data and highlight all of the table data. I want to say to format table properties. And here I can change certain things. I can change the cell vertical alignment if I want to. In this particular case, I'd like to get rid of the table border. I'm going to change that to a 0 point. The other thing I could have done is change this color to white, but I prefer this method. And click OK. And you can see that that gets rid of the border. And that is how you format the inserted tables. And notice that I can still come in here and click on one of the pieces of data and get to that linked option properties if I needed to change the range, as we've already learned how to do. That is all. You can do a Google search on how to format tables inside of a Google Doc to learn more of the options on formatting a table. And you can see that you can format a table without upsetting the live link status of the data. Thanks for watching this video, and let us know if you have any questions.